What's going on, boys and girls of all ages? Yours truly, Eddie GC, back on duty. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is a special Monday. We are live and direct here in Valencia, California at Honda Valencia. And I spoke to one of my man, Christian, the Pompadour. So if you guys need any Honda, the 10th generation, he got you covered. Now check it out. Right in front of me, I got the 2020 Honda Accord. It's a 1.5 turbo. And as you can see, it's a sport. It's got 192 horsepower with 192 pounds of torque. Baba, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to go fast on the freeway. You just need to pass somebody on the freeway. You gotta stick with this 1.5. And if you want to save some money because you gotta pay some bills, this car is fast enough for you. Check it out. As you can see, you got the exhaust. All right, I like the exhaust, but this is not a real exhaust. It's not connected to the exhaust. It's just cosmetics. And you get the tail lights, you got the lobster. All right, I know a lot of people have been getting a lot of hate. They don't like this part here, the crocodile. But check it out. A lot of people have been deleting this part of the tail lights, but you know, it's all good. To each his own is all I'm saying. What I did on mine is all I did was had it smoked and I was perfectly fine. Now, with the Sport, you also get this nice little built-in spoiler. I mean, you know, that's probably gonna cost you another 400 bucks, but if you get it from Honda, you might just hook it up for free. Now, you got the wheels. I love this aluminum alloy with the black gloss, this beautiful Michelin rims. You know, you can always get an upgrade. That's what a Honda is for. You can always get a 20s. I mean, I'm sure you're just gonna get rid of this and get yourself another 20s, right? Now, on the side, as you can see, you see that smooth line that extends all the way from the rear to the front? It looks like a wing, isn't it? That's what makes this car so unique and so sporty looking. I mean, everything, the whole package. Just check it out. These lines are very, very expensive. It makes the car look more expensive. I don't think Camry has that. Now let's move on to the front. Because this is a sports trim, you got the fog lights. Check it out with a nice little gloss trim plastic on the side, right? And these are actually, come take a look. These vents, these are not Camry vents. These are actually functional, okay? It works, it actually works. So, now moving on to the front, the 10th generation, the reason why I fell in love with this car is because of the front grille. Check it out. Although, if you get the LX version, you'll get the regular trim with the chrome front grille, but with the Sport, it's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit darkened up a little bit, but if you really want to get that look, that beautiful black trim, just get it, you can have it vinyl wrapped. And then you can change the H emblem to black, red, whatever you want to do. It's your car, to each its own. Now, check it out, this piano look, it's still the same, nothing has changed. You got the Honda sensing. Now this, brother, boys and girls of all ages, Honda is making sure that they want to keep us safe while we're driving on the street, because people have been texting, being on their phone while they're driving, being distracted. So with this sensing thing, it comes standard on all the Honda trim. Whether you get an LX, a Sport, a Touring, we all get treated evenly. There's no discrimination here, blah. This is United Nation. Now, this is the 2020 Honda Accord 1.5 turbo. Now check out my car. What we have here is a 2018 Honda Accord LX, which I purchased last January. Right here, it's a beautiful place, Honda. And I told you about the front grille, how when you buy the LX, you get the chrome piece, just a regular chrome, but I had it wrapped in vinyl black gloss to bring out that nice beauty, to accommodate that nice piano grille look. And you know, I had a nice little spoiler attached. I mean, these are not very expensive, about 100 bucks or so, and then you can get the red trim at Pep Boys. And if you really want to just, you know, make your car look nice, if you got the Sport, go get yourself a 20-inch rims, buddy. A 20-inch rims, that's right. It won't cost you more than $2,000, all right? This one right here is the 20-inch rims by 8.5. That's the wheel size. And then you can go ahead and grab the Honda Accord badge. Brother, this one right here makes your car look like a BMW. It looks like $1 million, right? And then, if you want to get flashy, get yourself a nice little carbon fiber plastic cover. You know, you don't want to spend too much money, you know. You got a family, you got a mortgage. Get yourself one of these for like $30, $40. Get that nice little trim, make it look like a Type R, you good. As you see, you get that lip on the side with a nice little red line on the side, still the same. Had the calipers painted in red. And you got the smoke tail lights with the rear spoiler from Spoiler King and some JDM Type R H on the red emblems, and then we get the diffuser. And I had this smoke to kind of coordinate with the rest of the car, but you know, 2018, 2020, this is the aftermath, a before and after. This is what you can do for your Honda, so you don't have to go to anywhere else. I'm not even gonna mention any other cars. Just come to Honda, buddy. Auto Nation. Come see your boy Christian Pompadour. He's gonna hook you up. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. I'm out.
To get some. On the real, we appear to get gone. Victory is ours, bring the chip home. Galactic, and I'm looking to get more. Raise it up, seen but you don't know. Running like the blood, pumping from the pressure of adrenaline rush. We crush whatever we touch. Where you been, yo? Everyone know. And if you still don't get it, let it chill for a minute. Time is money, and trust me, man, I'm on business. And if you want something done, do yourself to get it finished. Wake up, victory's mine. On top, still on the grind. Gotta go get it right now. Holla at me if you're with me. It's time.
I think the stars above, I know that we're gon' make it.
It'll take all we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Second verse, I'm telling you I'm ready to go, letting you know, cause I'm never alone. The ones that I roll with are incredibly known for getting down to the nitty gritty. If you're really with me, let's go. Moves made, dues paid, most talk but don't do a thing. We certified, observers I come through and give a true display. We champions, understand me standing under a victory canopy. Canopy the enemy was handing keys, ready to drive at top speed, let's get it out. Wake up, victory's mine. On top, still on the grind. Gotta go get it right now, holla at me if you're with me. It's time.
I think the stars above, I know that we're gon' make it.
It'll take all we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.
I think the stars above, I know that we're gon' make it. I know the ground below my feet's gon' lift me up. I thank the stars above, I know that we're gon' make it. I know the ground below my feet's gon' lift me up.
It'll take all we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. It'll take all we got, we gon' make it. Keep it real, never